Hey everybody, in this video we will show you an overview on the display for Bobcat UTVs. First, by clicking the mode button, you can cycle through the options in the display area shown here. These different options are ground speed, a tachometer, as well as the engine temperature. Next, by clicking the arrows, you can cycle through the display area shown here. These options are the ground speed, tachometer, engine temperature, service hour interval, engine hours, battery voltage, trip 2, trip 1, and an odometer. Holding the mode button, then using the arrows will let you cycle through different options. When in this menu, you can exit, set a speed limit, view or set the service hours, change the backlight level, change the backlight color, adjust the clock, change the temperature units, as well as change the distance units. Going through the menu, click Mode on the option you would like to change. For diagnostic code, it will show you the failure mode identifier, suspect parameter number, as well as the count. Select Mode again to go back to the menu. For the speed limit, you can change or set the maximum speed from between 15 and 35 miles an hour in 5 mile an hour increments. In service hour, you can change the service hour interval. For backlight level, you can change the brightness of the screen. For backlight color, it will change the screen between blue and red. For the clock, you can change it from a 12-hour to 24-hour clock, as well as adjust the time. You can also change the unit for temperature between Fahrenheit and Celsius, as well as the unit for ground speed between miles per hour and kilometers per hour.